How to use event objects in Python with a thread? I have a main Python script which starts a thread running in the background. Poll equals threading.thread target equals poll_files, args equals myargs. I want my main script to wait until something specific happens in my poll thread. I want to use an event object. So in my main script, I do trigger equals threading.event. And when I want to wait, trigger.wait. My question is, inside my poll thread, how do I set the event to true? I know I do. Trigger.set. But do I need to also have trigger equals threading.event inside my poll thread?
Pass the event object to the thread target function so that they are shared between main thread and the pool thread.